That way?
Yeah. I see a hill though.
He got distracted.
Oh, is that the one Zach was on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It didn't look too steep until we were up there.
Then it did. They're cool. Wait, so are there dunes where you can just like walk where like these things are around?
Say that again?
Are there dunes where you can just like walk, not like with no cars allowed?
Oh, yeah. Oh, this is
This
the
is
only
the only
one
one that you can do this on. What?
I was talking. Just
Oh, me and Dad were walking on the Warren dunes. My purse is getting really hot.
See, there's my green Jeep. But my
I thought we had to go that way. I think they are. Right. 'Cause I can't drive because I can't see over the dashboard. Wow. It's like a little, oh. Stuff. So to get your fix, Zachy, here's some.
Man, we know the seatbelts work.
These are all washboards. They're usually not this close to the bottom, I think. Man, this
Oh gosh!
I almost hit my head on the glove compartment.
These are fun.
I can just feel this engine, how hot it is.
Airborne!
Like the washboards.
Those are so fun.
Right through a bunch of trees.
It won't fall down.
But really, how do I get out of here?
You have to keep following this way because that's where the ropes are.
The sign.